Bonomo, do we have a case number for them?
One moment, please, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Yes, I have case number 24000015.
And that's for Kovac?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. What's his first name?
Scott.
Gotcha. Calling case 24000015 in the matter of Scott Kovac. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Bonomo on behalf of the people, P84189.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Scott Patrick Kovac, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Kovac is held on a witness detainer. Ms. Bonomo?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a preliminary exam scheduled last week for April 4th of 2024. There was transportation arranged to pick Mr. Kovac up at where he's staying at, and he failed to appear. I tried calling him as well, and I've not heard from him, and I'm not understanding where the disconnect was and why he did not appear.
Mr. Kovac? Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Nobody showed up, because if they would have showed up, I would have been in court, because I don't miss court for nothing.
Mr. Kovac, I called where you stay at the church, and the cab service said that they tried to call you as well, and no one answered. So then they eventually just left. So is there a better way to get a hold of you so we don't have a disconnect again? I have a number ending in...
a better phone number for you, ma'am.
Okay.
That's where my phone was messing up badly. I had to get a new one.
Okay.
And I do take full responsibility for that.
Okay. Fair enough. I need that number then, and I can call you and we can talk about it, and I can get that transportation for you again for tomorrow.
Oh, please.
Okay. I'm not sure how to get his number, Your Honor, because I don't want him to say it over Zoom.
I don't mind doing that because I do need to get back to work. This is taking
okay, absolutely. What's your number?
Pocket. It is 313-431-0302.
I'm going to read it back to you. 313-431-0302.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to have transportation pick you up at 9 a.m. tomorrow at the same location. I'm going to give them this number. Yes. They're going to call you.
Yes.
And then call me when you get out, and I'm going to give you my cell phone number, okay? So if you have any issues.
Yes,
okay, thank you. I'll talk to you soon.
Will I be released from here today?
I'm about to address that right now. So,
yes, sir.
Listen to me. There are to be no more misunderstandings. For whatever reason you don't appear tomorrow, the next time that I get a hold of you, I'm going to make sure that you stay for the duration of time that it takes to get to the preliminary examination. And I don't know what that might be. That might be 2 or 3 weeks later. So you make sure that you do not miss court tomorrow, okay?
I will not, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set bond at $25,000 personal. You don't have to post anything. You should be released sometime, probably this week. Okay?
So I will be released then.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Am I dismissed?
Yes, sir. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, what's the next case number, Mr. Moe?
The next case number is going to be 2400014.
All right, and this person's name again is?
Last name is McLittle. First name is Jalon, Ajalon.
They calling case 2400014. This is in the matter of Jalon McLittle. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Bonomo on behalf of the people, P84189.
What's your name, sir?
Jalon McLittle.
Jalon, okay.
Jalon.
Okay. Ms. Bonomo?
Your Honor, there was a preliminary exam scheduled last week on April 4th, 2024. Mr. McLittle was served with a subpoena. We arranged transportation, we being the prosecutor's office, to pick Mr. McLittle up at the church that he's staying at for him to appear. However, he failed to appear. I tried calling him and I'm not able to get in contact with him. So I just want to see what the disconnect was last week.
What happened, Mr. McLittle?
I was waiting with the sergeant who was Officer Scott, and no one showed up. We were waiting for the prosecutor to pick us up. They told us that they would provide transportation to the courts and back.
And McLittle, McLittle, the transportation was supposed to be there at 9.
We were ready.
And then I apologize because the information I received is they went to the location, they tried calling you. No one, you or Mr. Scott, did not answer, so they left. And then I tried calling both of you, and I didn't receive a phone call from you guys, or I couldn't get a hold of you. Is there a good number? I have 2 numbers for you. Are both of those still active and working?
Yes, they are.
Why
Okay.
didn't you answer, sir? Why didn't you answer the phone, sir?
Sir, I didn't receive any call. I was told by someone in the shelter that there was a call. There was a call that asked for me, but when I got downstairs, they had hung up.
Then when I called, they said that you weren't there and Mr. Kovac wasn't there. So at that point, I was already going in front of a judge, and I had to ask for you to detain her. So what number is the number ending in 3524? Is that a good number for the cab service to call you?
3524, yes, it is.
Okay, so I will give that number to the cab service. And then when you get out, I will call me, and I'll call you, and I'll give you my cell phone number. Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, listen to me, Mr. McLittle. It's vitally important that you be there for that cab tomorrow when it arrives. If we have this discussion again, you don't appear, I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen again. I'm gonna keep you until the next preliminary examination. And I don't know when that might be. It may be 2 or 3 weeks down the road.
I will.
Okay, so make sure that you do not miss that cab tomorrow.
I will not, Your Honor.
They have a contact for you, contact number,
Yes.
in case anything goes wrong. Ms. Bonomo?
Oh, you're just asking for my number?
If they have a number for you, for them to call you in case something goes wrong.
Well, I want to give them my cell phone number, just.
No, I don't want you to give them. What about an office number?
Yeah, I can give an office number right now, and then I'm going to call him later on this evening with my cell phone number.
Okay, all right, why don't you just do that then? We'll save some time.
Okay.
Okay, all right, I'll see you tomorrow, so you'll probably be released sometime this evening.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, bond will be $25,000 personal.
Excuse me, Your Honor, that's all we had.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too.
Ms. Castro, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Calling case 2359726, people of the state of Michigan versus Gilmore, for real Carmichael. Defendants charged in count 1 assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2 domestic violence. Defendant has an habitual offender section offense numbers. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Lou, people meeting the 60249. Good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Chestnut from NBS, appearing on behalf of Mr. Carmichael, number 80549.
Tell me your name for the record, sir.
Gilmore Carmichael.
There's a time set for preliminary examination. I'm ready to proceed.
Your Honor, I'm unable to proceed at this time. Thank you for this is not present. I cannot. Your Honor, with that information, defense needs for dismissal.
So order to close and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Need a dismissal order?
Filling that out for you, right?
Okay.
Yes.